Hey everyone, this is Ujwal and I hope you are doing great. In today's video, we are going to understand the first type of dependency injection in .NET code, that is constructor injection. We will begin with a real world example without DI where the code is tightly coupled, and then we will fix it step by step using constructor injection. So you can clearly see the difference in flexibility and testability. So let's get started. Before jumping into the example, let's quickly recap what dependency injection actually means. Dependency injection (DI), a design pattern that helps make your code loosely coupled, more testable, more maintainable. Instead of a class creating its own dependencies with the new keyword, we inject those dependencies from outside. This is what makes our code modular and reusable. Alright, let's start with a simple problem. Suppose we want to build a notification system that sends message to user. So let's come into the Visual Studio and let's see the example. So now we are on the Visual Studio 2022 and I have created a notification system console application. Inside this solution, I will add a folder named services, right? Then after I will add a interface named I message service, correct? I will make it as a public, and inside it I declare a method name void send with two parameter, string2 and string message, correct? Okay, now I will create a class named email service. Shame, I will make it public, and here I will call I message service means interface, and here I'll provide the body of that method which we defined on interface, I message interface. Here we will provide body of that method. Inside we say we have to pass the two parameter string message, correct? Okay, and inside body will pass a message like that. Inside will read and will write email sent to to and message will be the message, correct? Now again I will add a notification class, notification service. Uh, Again I'll make it as a public, and inside I have create the object, and inside it I create constructor of the notification service class, and inside it right now I'm creating manually object using new keyword like that. Let's see here message service will be the object of the email service class. Okay, and now on same class I will create a method send notification method. Inside here also pass parameter, and here I will call that method which I have created on email service class. This method I can call on this class because here we are creating the directly manually dependencies of this email service class. That means this objects is represent that class, that email service class. So using this object I can call the method of a method that I have created on email service class, which is sent. And inside we have to pass that parameters which is already in which is already here, because sent method is a parameterized method, and here two parameters for this method. That's why we need to pass that two parameters. Now I will come on the main file, that program file. Here I will create class as a program, and inside it I create a main method. Okay, and inside it I will create the object of that notification class. Okay, so here I will create the object notification of the notification class. Okay, notification service class. And using this notification object I can call that method which we have created on notification service class, and here we will pass that parameters, that value for the parameters. So here I can pass the email id Ujwal at, and that message, hello, I hope you are doing great, right? So now we will run this application, and we got same message, correct? Email sent to the this user, and message is hello, I hope you are doing great. So let's come on the topic. So here what's happening, the notification class, the notification service class is directly creating an object of email service class. This notification service class is directly creating an object of this email service class. Here we are doing uh, a, a manual dependency injection. Here we are creating a manual dependency injection, dependency, sorry, not injection. Here we are creating manually dependency. This means our notification class, this notification service class is tightly coupled to the email service class, correct? And if tomorrow we want to send sms, an sms instead of email, we will have to open this class and inside and modify the code inside it, and that's not a good practice. So now let's fix this problem with constructor injection, that the first and most common type of dependency injection. So in constructor injection, we pass the dependency through the class constructor instead of creating it manually inside the class. This way, the dependency can be changed easily without modifying our core class. So let's see the code. Here we will do the class constructor, de- uh, do the dependencies through the class constructor instead of creating it manually inside the class, like that, like this way. I message, and here we will pass underscore message service. Okay, here we will not using like that, we will do like this way, message service, and this show here is not using dependency. Here we are not using dependency, here we are using the class constructor instead of creating it manually inside the class. So now we will come on the this program file. Here we are getting error. So in console application we have to install a library which name I will show you. We will go, we have to click on right click on this solution, and we have to click on manage NuGet package, and here we have to install a dependency. We have type dependency injection, and we have to install this Microsoft extension that dependency injection. So we will install the version of 8.0.0 because our application is created in the version 8.0.0. So we will install it. So now it's installed, and it's installed, and now we have to come on this file, and here we have to create services services from the service collection class. Okay, and this services we can use di container. We will inject our, we will register our dependency, add scoped, and inside we will register our services like that. And after that, here we are doing uh, register the service, our service, register services, and services that add scoped. Here we will service register the our notification service class 2. And now we have to build, we have to build this service using builder service provider, correct. And now we will use the notification automatically. Now here we will inject our notification service using this provider dot get required service. Here we are injecting this notification service class using this get required service, and now we can call this method. So now let's run this application and see the result. So same, we are getting result using constructor injection. We have solved the our problem, our dependency. We have solved using constructor injection. So if we want to send SMS instead of email, uh, For that we have to add a SMS service class, like that. S- SMS service class, and here we will call the interface I message service and provide the body of this class of that method, sent method, which we have created on the interface. So, and inside it we have pass a message like that: SMS sent to to and message will be the message. So if we want to send SMS instead of email service, simply we have to do the one line change on our this program file. Instead of email service we have to write SMS service only, and our application will be good to go. Here we will change our number, change email to number, and our application is good to go. So correct. So that's what we have see the constructor injection, and using constructor injection we fixed our dependency. So here we registered our classes with di container add scoped. This is the di container. Then get required we call get required service, and the di container automatically looks at the constructor, see that it needs I message service, and inject the correct service, email service, automatically. No new keyword, no tight coupling, complete flexibility. So let's quickly recap what we learned today. What dependency injection is, why we use it, loose coupling, testability, and modularity. The first type, constructor injection, example, notification system with and without DI. Real life example, and how DI container makes everything automatic. So in next video we will move on to property injection and method injection with more examples and interview tips. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss the next part. This is Ujwal signing off. See you in